We're about to do some sketchy shit. Hope we get away with it. Alright, hello and welcome guys. Next build starts here. We got a sizable box from our friends in China, and this is going on the next car. I'm not going to tell you what car it is. We're going to unpack it and then you guys can guess, and on the next one I'm going to unveil the car. How's that? First things first, I'm going to actually test if this shit works. So
18 plus.
18 plus, yeah. If it doesn't work, then you're not going to see this video. That's one of those, you know. Just disclaimer. I got some bungee cords, got some straps from a recovery truck, and then I'm going to lift this and then strap it on. Right. How's that looking?
Looks a bit sketchy, but let's do it.
Well, it's all about sketchy, isn't it? Right. Wish us luck. I'll put you on time lapse on this one, I think, as well. It's going to be entertaining.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love.
Well, it doesn't actually even look half bad, if you ask me. And this thing does the job. Right, now just to get it to the garage and unbox it. How's that?
Keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rocks. We out here moving boulders, now we ain't getting posterized. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers, you better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit.
Let's go do some sketchy shit. Do that. Do that.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
I'm always working.
Sometimes there are days when you're like seeing it, something on the road, and you're like, what is he up to? Yeah.
Well, it's here. The roof concept works. In one piece, yeah, the roof concept works. This thing friggin' bloody whistles. Whistles like mental.
I didn't have it.
Yeah. You're driving it down the road and that cage literally whistles.
Turbo.
It's like, yeah, it's a turbo mod. If you don't have a turbo car, this is great. Yeah. Alright, let's get it off and let's do the actual unpacking video of the body kit. Alright, let's go.
Make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Alright, the top bit is off. And first impressions, really good. Because this is sturdy as it comes. Box is undamaged. When you look inside, you got all this stuff going on. And then kit is in doubled up bubble wrap essentially all the way through. Right, let's get some stuff out and have a look what we got. You want to do it on us? Or you want me to do it?
Got a knife.
What I've done with a knife. It's the usual. I was playing about with that one and I've lost it. Right, give us a minute, I'll find the knife. I'll find what I've done with the knife. Okay, so first look of our cheap Chinese body kit. I mean, first impressions.
Well, it's actually even got grills on there.
Yeah, it's got grills in there and everything. Wow, these guys actually build kits for supercars mostly, but the clue is this isn't a supercar. So yeah, the quality I would assume is pretty good. So far, so good. Right, what are we going to do? Shall we unbox them one by one and see what's what, or should we just put in time lapse? I think one by one. Yeah, do one by one. Yeah, do those. Do those. Next couple of bits. Right.
Not sure where's that from. Probably arches.
That's arch extension. Arch extension, extension for the arches. So that means we got ourselves another wide body. And well,
Yeah, well, how wide is it?
it's yeah, it's my kind of wide.
How wide was it?
I haven't got a clue, but it's my kind of wide.
Oh, you mean the MX-5?
Well, the MX-5 is
That's
next.
a bit too wide. That's the next level, isn't
That's
it?
the next level. So, if you guys wondering, MX-5 stuff
one
is,
of them is
on our channel. Look it up.
One of them is real.
Yeah. We got another one. And then we got another one. It looks symmetrical and all, so. And I think by looking at it, these can be mounted without the bolt holes, so I don't even know how we got the bolt holes. Well, that's just a look, isn't it? And we'll see what's what.
That looks like
I'll see how it's going to look. Okay?
That looks like an arch.
Yeah, it would be. Yeah, packaging is good, isn't it? Anyways, when I unveil the car, I'll put the link to these guys' shop. Yeah. It's that's iconic look. But it's not Rocket Bunny.
Looks like it though.
That's iconic look. I mean, everything's smooth on this. I mean, for the price, this is all looking really good so far. Generally with cheap kits, it's a hit and miss, isn't it? But I'm saying, since these guys do really crazy flipping cars. So, anybody got any guesses yet? Give me a comment. Let me know what you guys reckon. This all is going on. And then I'll give it a few days. I probably won't even respond to comments to just be awkward, you know. Somebody's gonna comment is this and that, I'll be like, no, radio silence. And then probably wait till like, I don't know, next Tuesday maybe to wheel the car. What do you reckon?
Huh? No.
Yeah,
the thing is, when you said it about MX-5, that's the next level. When you're looking on that one, you're like, are you sure?
Oh, it is.
It is quite wide.
Oh, it is.
Like what? About 13 centimeters, isn't it?
Yeah, that's wide. Yeah, this stuff is wide. We got a couple marks there. Oh, that's just on a coating, because obviously they coated everything, haven't they?
Yeah.
So far everything looks peachy. I like
We
it.
got some big parts coming out now.
Oh yeah.
Wanna give me a hand?
Of course. We got a tiny bumper.
Tiny.
Tiny. Oh, it's grilled up and everything.
Yeah.
I'm loving this. I won't have to do anything with the grills and everything.
Bonus, isn't it?
Yeah.
Won't have to buy any grills for it.
So far, so good.
My guess, they might gonna understand what car is going after they were gonna see this one.
Not really. It looks.
Could do, to be honest.
It looks nothing like.
Eh.
It looks nothing like it was meant to be.
But that's a good guess, though.
Yeah, it could be.
On this one.
Could be. Oh, that's
It
just.
does look nice, to be honest.
Yeah.
That looks sick as well. Like it's got grills in there now, so it's got background in there.
Yeah, so it's got grills in the front.
It's a decent, isn't it?
Yeah. So far, so good. I mean, for the price I paid for it.
That's what said you have to make perfection.
Hey?
Well, you have to like make perfection instead.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's nicely put on as well, yeah. They're actually plastic.
Is it?
The grills are plastic, yeah. It's like a big plastic piece has been cut up, put in there. So, alright,
Still a bonus.
I reckon now we got the last bit coming out.
Yeah, that's
Last bit.
Which car is it?
Oh, look at that. That's
they
a guess.
They got the same question.
Yeah, these guys are gonna guess what it is.
Even he doesn't know what price it's coming for.
Yeah. It's that one. Maybe.
I don't know.
Maybe
No,
this one.
maybe this one. Maybe this one. Maybe it's something else, you know. Maybe it's that one. Maybe it's this one. I don't know.
It's color black.
When we finish filming, we're going to tell you and show you. Because we're probably going to try some bits on.
But you wouldn't be able. Just don't say to anyone.
Yeah.
That's a secret.
Yeah, it's a secret. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anybody. Oh, now this is a mesh, and that's plastic again.
Oh, that's actually aluminium one.
Yeah, that's like proper mesh. So you got two different styles going for it.
We have two different cars.
Yeah, one's a front, one's a back.
I have to do it.
That's gonna be like that.
Yeah. That's gonna be like that.
Where's the place to put in them?
Diffusers and everything. Might even mask it all off and leave those diffusers black. Even though this is the next Ninja Turtles car. So there's a choice.
Oh, you've got to prime it,
Do we go blue? Because we got an orange one, we got a red one. So do we go blue
I think
or do we
it's-
go purple?
I think it's gonna fit purple for that one.
Yeah, I think it.
Probably it's gonna be purple.
I think it might be the purple one. So yeah, guys, let me know on that one as well. And yeah, let's stop it here and then put them all side by side, see what's what, and I'll take a picture, essentially lined up and go around and whatnot. So yeah, let's do that. Alrighty, so whole thing looks like this. Then you got wide arches in the front, sides, wide rears, really wide rears, and quite aggressive rear bumper. Alright, so that's about it for now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try some bits and bobs on the car, and then I'm not gonna film it. I'm gonna do a reveal video sort of thing later on, and as for now, I'll leave you guys guessing. So if you guys enjoy this one, like, follow, subscribe, comment and all that good stuff. And if you can't wait for any projects and stuff like that, there's the MX-5 video series I'm gonna put in a description, so I'll watch on that one. Alright, cheers guys, I'll see you later. Ciao.